Hi there. I'll just make a quick little video about some of the pocket knives I own, and to begin with will be some of the more exotic ones, like this little handmade Turkish blade. You can see it on the knife itself, on the blade. Mehmet Marash. It's a buffalo horn on the scales and a quite neat blade. It's really sharp, shaving sharp, not to say. Then this one here, which my mother-in-law brought me from Italy, and though it says Virginia 440 stainless, it's Italian made. Nice backlock. I like it. The etching on the bolsters. Then some of the more common ones, like the red one, you for sure know already. Persistence, tenacious. What else we got? Whoops! Dropped it. The Leek. The Ladybug. Put the Leek in frame. Then a Kershaw OD2. Really like that little one. Then another Kershaw, the also sweet. Sweet blade for sure. Then Swiss Army knife, camping or camper. And this one actually is my first knife. I got it when I was 10 years old. So this is about 23 years old. I bought it for $1.50, about that. It's, I guess, a sweet China copy of a buck knife, and it says stainless China. There's a backlock, which actually works as it locks, but talking about blade play, I guess you can see what's going on here. But yeah, I've beat on it for 23 years. Still getting sharp, so not that bad, I guess. Well, hope you enjoyed and had a little entertainment. Have a nice day. Bye.